Look at this beauty of a salad. It looks good and it is good. So let's get started so you can make it. We're starting out with our shrimp, which have been thoroughly washed. I kept the skins and the tails on. I also soaked my skewers so that the shrimp will remove easily once they're cooked. Once you do all of that, then you just start applying the shrimp to the skewer and you get them ready to be cooked in that delicious Cajun seasoning. All right, once you have your shrimp on your skewers, you want to set them to the side and then start doing what you need to do to get your salad prepared. Here I am using romaine lettuce, as you can see. If you don't have romaine, you can use iceberg or spring mix. But as you know, a traditional Caesar salad is with romaine lettuce. And what I do first, I slice my lettuce down the center, and then I carefully discard the core in the center of each piece of lettuce that I've sliced. This, I find, helps you to use more of the lettuce and not waste. If you just cut your lettuce before you move the core, you're going to end up leaving a lot of the lettuce. So it's easier and it's more beneficial to just score that core out of the center section of your lettuce. All right, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and wash our lettuce. I'm using a spin and dry lettuce container, and it dries your lettuce so you have dry lettuce. If you don't have that, then just make sure your lettuce is very dry. Now we're going to go ahead and prepare our sauce for our shrimp, and I added in a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I have my seasonings that I love to spin around. Please check the description box below. It will give you everything that I've put in these Cajun seasoning. Okay, please, babies, do that. All right, now go ahead and place in your skewers. And you want to make sure you cook them well on both sides. And then you flip it over and get that pretty brown Cajun look. And then now it's time to prepare your salad. And it's just 1, 2, 3. Simple as can be. Just place your salad greens in your plate, platter, bowl, whatever you have. And then go from there. You're going to add in your tomatoes. And then from there, you're going to add in your croutons and your cheese. And you can do this any way you want to. I'm adding in my tomatoes, and then follow the tomatoes. I put in my shredded, shaved Parmesan cheese, and that's a H-E-B brand. You may be able to find it at Walmart. It won't be a H-E-B brand, but it is H-E-B here. And I just love that they have this shaved Parmesan. It's so good. And then I take my Caesar croutons and just sprinkle them on top. All right, now you add in your favorite Caesar dressing. I'm using Kraft, and I love this brand. It's very good. And I just sprinkle that over my salad greens. And from there, I put a little pepper on top. And then it's time to layer your shrimp. And then, baby, you're ready to have a good meal that you can cook in less than 20 minutes.